I have installed a new LED backlight. It's from Gopard work lamp 1920 lumen, 1920 lumen spot variant, or no, lightning in the width. The other is more for distance. This is more for width. Nice and bright. This button is to activate the lightning. So, first one is front, and it's front and back. I have installed it with the metals that come with it. It's all RVS, so it won't rust over time. All nuts and bolts are delivered with. Costing $40. Includes VAT. Now I've drilled a hole in the frame, M8, of 8 millimeters. There's a hole here, so I've used some metal. Some metal cord, your tie wraps. Next to the frame is half a meter length. The copper cable has to be some lengthened. I've cut this cord in half, this cable. Put some ferrules on there. You can see. Het is een Wago clips 2-to-1. It's going sharpen. As you see, it's on the hot wire and on the black is for the I don't know what it's called. It's at least red is hot and black is neutral, of the out. And blue to